Hi everyone, and thank you for checking out my channel. If you are considering selling merch on Redbubble or you are already doing so, this video is for you. In this video I will be looking at 3 designs that are often overlooked because they require a little bit more effort than a simple t-shirt design. But if you put in the effort, you could potentially get a lot more sales. And for this I'm going to be using a very user-friendly app called Canva. If you don't know what Canva is yet, it is the absolute best design app for people who don't have any designing skills or for beginners. So if you want to check that out, I will leave a link in the description. It is free to use and you can even get a 30-day free trial on their pro version. But without any further ado, let's get into today's tutorial. Now let's first go into Canva, and I'm going to do a normal design that I would put on a t-shirt, and then I'll show you how I will change the layout of Canva to put it on one of those other designs. I've chosen this tiger image. Let's download it. To make sure your images are of high quality or high resolution, you would want to download it at a size 3, and always remember to put a transparent background. So now I'm going to Redbubble and I'm going to add a new work. Always remember your title and your tags. So now that it is loaded, let's see what it looks like. You will see that mostly you only have to adjust the size on some of the items, but some of them are already in a nice ratio, so you can just leave it as is. I'm going to play around with a few of them just to show you what I mean. Now we are getting to the items that we are going to be focusing on in this tutorial, and you can see on the backpack that when I open it you can already see where the image will be going, but the problem is that you only have this one image and you have these various parts of the bag that will not have anything on it, and the image will look funny on it. You can see the same thing here on the duffel bag, that you have this one image and you can choose where you want to put it on the bag, but some places will not have anything on it. You can see here I actually put it across the whole bag, and when you load the preview it actually looks horrible. And then look at the backpack as well. I loaded it onto the front side of the bag, but you can see the little zipper bag has an empty space on it. So that looks horrible too. And then the last item we will be looking at is the leggings. So you can see also that I've just spread the image across the leggings, and some people might like patterns like this on their leggings. Who knows what people like, but we are going to do something different with this because we actually want the face of the tiger to show, and we want to customize it a little bit so that it looks like a high quality product. So the great thing is that Redbubble actually do have templates available for these designs, and you can download it by simply going on any product and you can click on it to edit it. There's a little info icon there with how to design a great product, and just click on that, and then you'll find there a link to go to all the templates, and just click on that to download them. So the ones I will be downloading today is the duffel bag, the backpack, and the leggings. So let me just show you what they look like also. This is the backpack. This is the duffel bag. And then you guessed it, this is the leggings. So what we are going to be doing now is to create a custom design for each one of these templates in Canva. So let's start with the duffel bag. Go to Canva and click on Create Design, and then in the left corner at the bottom you will see a custom design. So when you've done that, you will enter the following values: 2380 times 4585. Then we are going to upload that template that we just downloaded from Redbubble to Canva. so that we can put the design on. Put it as the background of your design. And now we are ready to upload our tiger again, and we are going to put it on the sides of the bag in this case. So those two round circles at the bottom, they are the sides of the bag, and then the top part is the rest of the bag. Something else that I wanted to show you is that if you zoom in on this design, you can actually see Redbubble shows you what direction the image will be going in. You don't have to guess what side will be up or down. Those parts in the middle will be where the straps go, so do take that into account when you do your design. I want to add some text to this design, so let me just think of something to say quickly. So we are going to be making the tiger claw bag. So I'm just going to put it where I want it, and then I'm going to duplicate it for the other side. And I want to add some footprints as well, and then I'm going to download it and we'll see what it looks like on Redbubble. You will see I removed the template before I download the image. Again, when you download, remember to download it at a size number 3 and to put a transparent background. So just say add new work and upload the design. You should not enable any of the other items unless you really think that it looks good on it for some reason, but this design will only look good on the duffel bag. So what I saw is that it was actually upside down, and so that is why I'm turning it around now. You would want the bottom part to be upside down and the top part to face upright, because that's the way it's going to look on your bag. The top part shouldn't be upside down and the bottom part shouldn't be upright. That looks much better. Now let's take a look at the product page. Perfect, so exactly what I wanted. The head of the tiger on each side of the bag, and then the wording tiger claws on opposite sides of the bag. So I hope you can see how I achieved this through the template. Next up is the backpack. And for this design, you're going to create a design that is 3879 times 4554. And then we upload the template again that we downloaded earlier. And it's a perfect fit. So once again, when you zoom in here, you will also see all the specifications of this bag, what side goes where. Redbubble really gives you clear directions and indications of everything you need to know regarding the bag. So for this design, I want the tiger's head to be on the zip bag in the front, and then I want the back part of the bag to have a tiger skin design, and I want the footprints on the sides of the bag. So let's see if I can make that happen. If you're wondering where I'm finding all these items, it's really very easy. You just go and enter in the search bar exactly what you're looking for. So you can see there where I put the tiger's head, that is actually the front pocket on the bag, and where I put the skin, that is the front side of the bag behind the pocket. If you want to put something on that part of the bag, then you will be putting it here on this design. As mentioned, I want the footprints on the side of the bag, and so you see that's where I'm putting it now, on the sides of the bag. I also want to mention that you must remember to delete your template from the design once you're done. That is only to indicate to you where things should go so that it's according to what you want. But if you leave it on, that will actually become part of the design, and you do not want that. Now let's add it to Redbubble. That is awesome, exactly what I wanted. The tiger's face on the pocket and the rest of the bag covered in leopard skin. If you take a closer look, you can see the prints there on the side of the bag. So those parts I have left black and I put the prints on that. Next up is the leggings, and for the leggings you will be using the size 3875 times 3592. That is what you will be. So I have decided that I want to make one side of the leg the tiger's print that we did before on the backpack, and then the head of the tiger will be going on the other side of the leg, and maybe I'll add the word in again. Great, I think that looks perfect. Let's upload it and see what it actually looks like. Again, remember to delete the template. I always tend to forget that. Wow, that is exactly how I wanted it to look. So I think it really looks decent. I wanted the print on the one side and the head of the tiger on the other side, and I decided that it should say the word tiger as well. Now let's see it as a product. Yeah, that looks pretty good. That's exactly what I wanted it to look like. So that's the important part. This was just to show you what is possible and how you can use the templates to actually design things that are appealing to customers and that will actually stand out from the other things. People don't focus a lot on these items because you have to put in a little bit more extra effort. But if you do that, you can actually start selling more on Redbubble, because everybody else is focusing on t-shirts and all those other things where you can just stick a label on and then set it to sell. So I hope that was helpful to you. We will be covering more items in future tutorials. I do want to thank you again for watching the video. I hope it was helpful and that you are going to start uploading really awesome designs to these products. You can let me know in the comments if there are any other designs that you would like me to do something with, and I will also have a link so that you can sign up for Canva if you do not have an account with them yet. And if you want to get access to a file that already has all the templates preloaded for you in Canva, I have such a template available for you in my store, which I will also leave a link to. With that template, you will really be able to just start designing, and your designs will fit perfectly on each item. If you want to learn more about Redbubble, I will link some videos that you can also watch. If you like this video, then please also consider subscribing and hit that bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. And then take care, and I'll see you in the next video.